Uh, let's move on to the datos question 8 uh, of DBMS question. Um, question is to facilitate the business of Max Mobile. The owner of the mobile phone company has company uses computer software which uses the following table to store the data in that uh, computer software and answer the questions asked in the table. What's the first question? The first question is create a database named mshop and uh, create a table as customer and product in the database and follow those instructions. And data should be added graphically, and there's another, you have to write some queries here to find all the customers, to find all the details of those products, and find the details of the customer whose customer ID is CUS003. So let's start with creating the database. Let's start with creating the database. What's the database name? mshop. I'm going to give mshop here, and we need two tables. Let me find the table first. Yeah, we got what? Yeah, I think this one. Yeah. Customer and product. So let's create a customer table. This is customer table. The first column is customer ID. And it's the data type is varchar with length of 10, and it is the primary key here. And the second one is first name, third one last name, fourth one gender, and the fifth one is contact number. So I had to change the lengths. Okay, and yeah, and there's a, you can see here a little error. And we have created the database, sorry, the table of customer, and I had to create another new table, products, I guess products. So yeah, that's the product table. First one is product ID, and the second one is brand name, third one model number, fourth one is price. There are only 4 columns, 1 2 3 4, yeah, only 4 columns has been given. So you have to change the length first of all before saving the table, and this one should go double value, and here you have to change its default is default allow null part, or every column is checked, so you don't have to worry. And you have to make sure pro ID is the primary key, and what we get here, and yeah, we have created our product and the customer table. Now let's see what's the next. Third question is add data graphically to the table you have created. So this is the data, we have to add them by graphically. So I'm going to add customers names here. I'm going to just insert a row here. Mail. And yeah, I have successfully added data to my customer table, and I'm gonna add data to my product table here, simply copy pasting the rows. Wow. uh, and I'm going to post the video, and I'll continue when I completely add data. And I have entered the TS, and then the third one, we have finished the third one. The fourth one is find all customers, so we have to write a query here. Let's go and write the query. First you have to say, so it's a search query basically, so you have to, the search query starts with select and what you want to find. So in this case we have to find all customers. It means there's no specifically added, so we gonna say select all data from customer from database name. And what's our database name here? mshop dot, and which table we are searching for, which table we are looking for. Customer table. Customer table. And yeah, and select all from customer. And if we put this semicolon, and when we run this, execute it, we can get all the customer details here. And yeah, and what's the fifth one? And the fifth one is find details of all products. So same goes to the same query, but you have to change the table name, product. Yeah, you can see the data we have entered earlier, and you can see it will give a result. It will show us a result. And the fifth one is done, and sixth one is find the details of customer whose ID is CUS003. So in this case, you have to uh, mention the column, the attribute value here. So I'm gonna say CU customer ID, but the column table of the customer ID. What's the name of the column name? CUS ID. So I'm gonna copy it, and I'm gonna paste it over here, and I'm gonna say I'm gonna enter the value here. What's the value here? Let me see the value. CUS003. So let me see. It's not working. Why it's not working? Because there's a, you can see here, there's a small error, and we still get the error. Yeah, we have to change the table name to customer, and we got the result. Let me, yeah, the Navod is the customer name, and he is a male. The customer gender type is male, contact number, and you can see the customer ID as well. And yeah, that's all for the question 8, I guess. Yeah, and thank you for watching.